Discover the best vertical climbers. Get fit and toned with these top-rated machines that simulate climbing to help you reach your fitness goals. With varying resistance levels and innovative features, find the perfect fit for you today. In this video we will discuss vertical climbers which are best sold and achieve top-rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. MaxiClimber Vertical Climber. The MaxiClimber Vertical Climber costs a fraction of what most of the climbers on this list cost, which is why it's our pick for the best budget vertical climber. It's easy to set up, height adjustable and features a foldable design for convenient storage. It's super lightweight at only 33 pounds and has a small step counter display located in the center of the machine for viewing while you work out. Because of its small footprint and lightweight nature, this isn't the best vertical climber for heavier users, and some reviewers complain of durability issues. But when you consider the price point, this is a great climber for fitness enthusiasts on a budget. Pros: budget-friendly, lightweight, height adjustable. Cons: durability issues. Number 2. RELIFE Rebuild Your Life Vertical Climber. If you're looking for an affordable exercise machine for an apartment or small home gym, consider this compact vertical climber. It measures 37.5 by 28 by 85 inches and folds to slide under your bed or into a corner. Great for quick workouts and work from home breaks, you can burn a ton of calories in 30 minutes or less. It's an effective way to avoid prolonged sitting, which is bad for anyone. Even if you only have a few minutes, you can hop on to get your heart pumping and burn extra calories. If you're new to vertical climbers, starting slow and easy is your best bet for building a meaningful workout routine. Your early workouts might only last a few minutes before fatigue sets in. You can change the speed, foot position and other settings to make workouts harder or easier. There are 5 resistance levels to challenge yourself. The gears are height adjustable to make workouts harder or easier. Living in close quarters. This quiet climber won't disturb sleeping family members or neighbors. With a 260-pound weight capacity, heavier users can comfortably use this machine. It's easy on the knees and back for effective low-impact workouts. Pros: multiple resistance levels to target different muscle groups. Great cardio workout if you're short on time. Comfortable enough for taller users. Cons: needs to be greased regularly. Number 3. CLMBR Connected Vertical Climber. It's a known fact that having a workout buddy brings some benefits, including higher motivation, greater effort and better results. In a sense, you can actually get more fat burning and training done when you have someone who can cheer you on or accompany you on your sessions. For those who are building a home gym with access to stair climber trainers and classes, then the CLMBR Connected should be your top choice. The CLMBR app is excellent, integrates well with the CLMBR machine and most importantly, gives you goals you can crush and allows you to get consistent results. On-demand classes in CLMBR are varied, you get a lot of content choices, and there's even a music catalog to pump you up. It's gamified in a way that you can play through challenges and track your progress. The "Connected" in the machine title is actually there for a reason. You and other CLMBR users join online courses and classes and form a community. Pros: on-demand classes and apps provide a unique connected experience. Large screen color display is built in and offers good immersion. Aluminum material makes it lighter than most vertical climbers. Cons: can only accommodate a max of 350 pounds. Number 4. ANCHEER Vertical Climber. ANCHEER's vertical climber is a favorite among budget shoppers. It's highly efficient and can help you lose weight and target key muscle groups. Tone your back, chest, thighs, triceps, core and other areas with short and effective workouts on your own time. You can burn up to 500 calories an hour on this climber. That's more than you might burn on a stationary bike in the same amount of time. Your body weight acts as the resistance, so you'll work hard with every step. If you're just beginning, start slow and work on building muscle strength and endurance. You can also adjust the height to 5 different levels to find a comfortable fit for your height. Designed for heavier users, the frame supports up to 350 pounds. That's more than most other climbers on this list, even the more expensive ones. ANCHEER doesn't provide a height limit, but users up to 6'2" say they can comfortably climb without knee or back strain. Although this climber is compact, it folds almost flat to save more space. You can slide it underneath your bed or store it in a closet. Pros: burns up to 500 calories per hour. Folds nearly in half to save space. Much more affordable than a gym membership. Cons: small LCD display. Number 5. Stamina Cardio Climber. The Stamina Cardio Climber features 8 levels of smooth, adjustable, magnetic resistance to deliver an incredible total body workout. It's outfitted with an LCD monitor where you can track the stats that matter: time, distance, count, and calories burned. It has small, textured pedals, but your feet will stay secure with the adjustable straps. This vertical climber has a built-in phone holder and features smart app integration via the Move app, where you can find a follow-along assembly video, get to know your climber, access personalized audio workouts, and listen to your favorite tunes via iHeartRadio. It has 2 separate sets of handlebars and functions as a 2-in-1 machine. You can switch up your exercise by using the wide, horizontal handlebars for stepping and extra stability for the lower body, and height-adjustable, vertical handlebars, for low-impact climbing. It's a bit pricey, but worth the investment. Pros: magnetic resistance, smart app integration and phone holder, height-adjustable. Cons: pricey.